Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. Viewers, if you like my videos, then don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to press subscribe button. February 2020 Capricorn horoscope predictions suggest that there is an air of buoyancy. This is due to the forward impetus of Saturn and other planets. You are able to direct things the way you want and accomplish your goals. Planetary strength is located in the lower half of the chart. Hence, all your ventures should be based on spirituality and feelings. During the month, Capricorn personality will work towards emotional harmony and mental strength. This will ensure that you will be able to achieve real success in the future as per astrology 2020. The majority of the planets are located in the eastern sector of the chart. Hence, autonomy and self-will will dominate your actions. You can get whatever you want and are not dependent on collaboration. However, your success should be based on emotional harmony and strength. Capricorn love and relationship horoscope. Capricorn compatibility is governed by the planet Venus this month. Venus makes you romantic, and it is important to maintain harmony in your love life. Try to communicate with your spouse as much as possible and spend time with your partner. Do not try to force things. Aggression and passion will dominate the love life of singles. Romance may be missing. Mars may induce disagreements in your relationships. Do not be in a hurry to form new relationships. Capricorn family horoscope predictions. February 2020 monthly horoscope forecasts are not promising for family matters. Senior members may be a source of disharmony. You should try to bring peace to the family environment. Children require more care. Family expenses may be beyond the budget, and you may have to get loans to meet the expenses. It is important to cut down unnecessary spending. Capricorn health predictions. 2020 monthly horoscope predictions for health forecast that health will be superb during the month. Mercury retrograde will affect any change in your fitness routine. You have to be cautious before making any change. Capricorn career horoscope. 2020 Capricorn horoscope for career is not a pretty picture. You have to struggle hard to achieve your targets. Returns are not commensurate with your efforts. Travel for professional purposes will not be many and will be useless. However, you are not affected by the downturn and will be optimistic about your future. If you are seeking employment, you should thoroughly examine the prospects before taking up the employment. Capricorn finance horoscope. 2020 February forecast for Capricorn finances foretells an excellent month. Money flow will be copious and continuous. You can expect income without much effort, even from new sources. If you are involved in tax litigations, results will be in your favor. Investments will yield good returns and you have a Midas touch. However, while you will be busy making money, you will miss the pleasure part of life. Capricorn education horoscope. February astrology 2020 for Capricorn sun sign indicates that prospects are not bright on the academic front. Higher education will pose plenty of problems and you may not get admission to suitable institutions. Planetary influences make you sluggish. You have to be patient and wait for sunny days to appear. Capricorn travel horoscope. February 2020 horoscope for Capricorn star sign individuals does not predict any benefits from travel this month. Professional or business trips will not be encouraging and returns are minimal. There will be tours abroad. Even these are unlikely to be profitable. It is advisable to postpone your travel plans for the present.